Tonight on Cooked at Camp, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple one-pan butter chicken on the barbecue. This recipe is just a snippet from a wild touring trip video crossing the Tanami Desert in an off-road caravan. A link to that episode is in the video description below. Righto, one-pan butter chicken, let's see how we go. I got the barbecue screaming hot, it's at about 200 degrees. I've got my marinated chicken here. It's bone-in chicken thighs, and I've got some Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garam masala, turmeric, garlic, ginger, and cumin. Pretty sure that was it, a bit of salt as well. And that's been marinating in that all day. And then the actual sauce is gonna be a good whack of ghee, just clarified butter, some salt, some sugar, about a cup or 3/4 of a cup of thickened cream, something like that, and a good cup of pasata. About that, I reckon. And that's it. I'm just gonna layer that chicken in there. I'm gonna make sure I've got all of the marinade I can in there, give it a bit of a mix, and it's gonna go into the barbecue for, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. I might wrap it, I'm not too sure. I want to have the sauce reduced down a little bit, but I want enough sauce to be able to, you know, cover your rice as well. So we'll see what that looks like. Anyway, hands are washed, don't you worry. Let's use the chicken to give this a bit of a mix. I'm going to check on that fairly periodically because I don't want all that juice to boil out. And then in the last half hour, last 40 minutes, I definitely want to be basting that chicken in the juices as well, all over the top. Should be good. Smells really nice.
I think it smells good.
Thoughts? Yeah. That didn't sound too certain. She's going to go really hard on me here because we love a good butter chicken.
Well, do you want me to be a good critic or
no,
not?
I want you to be legit. I want you to be
Yeah,
real.
Trust me, I'm real.
I know you are.
You'll hear about it.
I know. Get some sauce on there.
Yeah.
Bit more sauce, I reckon.
Alright.
Got some chicken, got some sauce, got some rice.
Got some coriander.
Mm-hmm.
You got the ratios right. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
No, it's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I
Really?
love it.
It's not the best butter chicken I've ever had, but it's good.
Yeah.
It's one of your better ones, definitely.
Okay.
I like this.
Yeah, the flavours are quite nice. Very well balanced.
Alright. We're gonna have it again?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this time I want it for dinner.
Tell me what you think, but I think the flavours are pretty bang on.
I'll have to put the recipe in the description then, Tiff. Alright, let me get a bit of chicken there. Oh, and this ended up cooking for about an hour and a half, and I was basting it like every sort of 10-15 minutes. So it is very tender.
Yeah.
I never covered it either. I didn't have to in the barbecue. Alright.
Pretty good, eh?
Oh, it's very good, Tiff.
Very mild flavours, but
I want
works
this
well.
I want this for dinner tonight, like a full meal
Yeah.
for dinner.
That's really good. Before I rate that, I'll definitely put the recipe in the description because that's a banger. We'll eat this and we'll finish the Tanami tomorrow and see how we get on with fuel. We should be sweet now.
See you then. Bye.
I just spotted a dingo.
Yeah, I'm literally out here putting the bin out and I just spotted a dingo running out of our tent.
He's so skinny.
Yeah, he needs good feed.
Should we feed him?
No, you're not allowed to, chick. Wild animals, can't feed them. Cheers, guys. So that fits perfectly like that.